Cunningham.
Cunningham. Dave Cunningham. Have you got an address?
That is the last name you're gonna use, okay? And the state now you're gonna have Jamaica, okay?
Okay. Jamaica, Jamaica. Where in Jamaica am I sending the money?
No. You're just gonna use the offshore bank that the company uses, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so how long it will take you to do this and actually get that?
I'm with the merchant right now, so hold on. Hello, sir. How much money am I supposed to send?
You have 400 in your position, and I said do the 400, okay?
I've got $450. Should I send 400?
Yes, you're gonna take the sending fee out of the 50 and send it, okay? To the license merchant for Mr. Dave Cunningham.
Okay.
So how long it will take you?
Okay, I'm gonna send you 400. And this money was to buy my oxygen for my illness that I've got.
You're gonna get more than the amount that you're gonna receive today. Don't worry yourself because today
You hear it, dirty nigga, then wicked. You hear it, nasty nigga, then wicked.
Okay, so you just get yourself registered, and when you get yourself registered, I want you to keep that receipt in your possession for the delivery person, because when they get over there and present your money to you, what they're gonna do is take your receipt and sign and stamp it, okay?
Okay, my name is James Williams. Who am I speaking with? Hello?
What's up, your mother?
Go send you up underneath your mother, batty boy. You can't can Jamaican. Eh? You can't style Jamaican idiot. Eh? You can't style Jamaican monkey. Eh? Watch panda fool boy. Eh boy, a Spanish town me come from. Monkey, a Spanish town me come from. Yeah? And you can't styler. Go style your mother and your father. Go style your mother give your daddy jacket.